Hey, travel enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into the crystal clear waters and exploring the enchanting paradise of Bora Bora. If you're dreaming of overwater bungalows, pristine beaches, and thrilling adventures, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll uncover the hidden gems and share essential tips to make your Bora Bora experience unforgettable. So, buckle up and let's embark on this tropical journey. Number 1. Overwater Bungalows. Bora Bora, often considered one of the world's most exotic destinations, boasts luxurious overwater bungalows that redefine the meaning of paradise. These traditional villas, perched above the turquoise waters, offer breathtaking views, private outdoor showers, and even water slides straight into the ocean. Imagine waking up to the gentle sound of waves beneath your bedroom, creating memories that last a lifetime. With these bungalows scattered across the island, it's no surprise that many travelers flock to Bora Bora for this unique experience. Number 2. Ideal for special occasions. Looking for the perfect spot for your dream beach wedding, honeymoon, or a romantic getaway? Bora Bora has you covered. With its secluded atmosphere, blue lagoon for a refreshing swim, and stunning hiking trails, the island provides a picturesque backdrop for any special occasion. Keep in mind, though, that getting married here can come with a hefty price tag, starting at $8,000 per person. While resorts offer wedding packages, it's essential to plan for additional expenses like attire, accessories, and photography to ensure your special day is flawless. Number 3. Economy and tourism. Delving into the island's unique economy, you'll discover that Bora Bora relies exclusively on tourism. With its peculiar fish-shaped layout surrounded by islands, the island's most significant industries include tourism and coconut production. The majority of locals work in resorts, hotels, restaurants, and shops, contributing to an annual tourism spending of over $335 million. As you plan your visit, keep in mind that the average holiday cost is around $11,000, reflecting the island's GDP of $8,000 per capita. Number 4. The unexpected danger of falling coconuts. While Bora Bora is generally considered safe and welcoming, there's an unexpected danger lurking in paradise falling coconuts. With around 150 incidents reported annually, it's crucial to stay cautious as you enjoy the island's coconut-infused delights. Fortunately, the island's lack of cars and thieves adds to its overall safety, making it a haven for relaxation. Number 5. Currency conundrum. Before you pack your bags, be aware of the island's currency quirks. Bora Bora operates on the French Pacific franc. Visa cards are widely accepted, but without one, exchanging currency requires your original passport and a visit during the limited Western Union hours. Additionally, the absence of public transportation means renting motorcycles or cars for exploring the island, although many hotels offer shuttle services. Number 6. No public transportation. Now, let's talk transportation or the lack thereof. Bora Bora may be small in size, but it packs a punch when it comes to natural beauty. With no public transportation system in place, getting around the island requires a bit of creativity. While the locals manage with their minimal needs, tourists may find themselves in need of wheels to explore beyond their resort confines. Whether it's renting motorcycles or cars or relying on hotel shuttles, there are options available to suit your preferences. Most accommodations offer transportation assistance to help guests navigate the island's attractions and activities. So while public transport may be non-existent, rest assured that you'll find ways to traverse the idyllic landscapes of Bora Bora with ease. Number 7. Fishing for your supper. Prepare your taste buds for an adventure as we explore the culinary side of Bora Bora. With limited restaurants and high costs, some resorts offer a unique solution: fishing for your supper. Equipped with all the necessary tools, guests can enjoy the thrill of catching their dinner, which is then expertly prepared and served in extravagant style. It's a culinary experience that adds a touch of adventure to your luxurious getaway. Number 8. The price of paradise. As the saying goes, paradise comes at a price, and Bora Bora is no exception. The island's allure is matched only by the expenses that come with its luxurious offerings. From accommodation to dining, every aspect of your stay reflects the high-end nature of this tropical haven. Overwater Bungalows, starting at $1,000 per night, set the tone for a lavish escape. A dinner for two can easily reach $120, and indulging in a massage or yoga session demands a significant investment. Factor in additional activities like snorkeling, paddleboarding, and those tempting cocktails at $30 each, and the cost quickly escalates. While Bora Bora may not be the destination for budget-conscious travelers, for those seeking an opulent escape, the price of paradise is a small investment in a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Number 9. Swimming with sharks and stingrays. For the thrill-seekers among us, Bora Bora offers an adrenaline-pumping experience, swimming with sharks and stingrays. In the turquoise waters teeming with over 500 species of sea life, this experience offers a unique opportunity to connect with the marine world. Imagine being surrounded by these magnificent creatures, observing them in their natural habitat, and creating lasting memories of a truly extraordinary experience. The cost, ranging from $80 to $100 per person, includes the guidance of knowledgeable professionals and ensures an unforgettable aquatic adventure that adds a splash of excitement to your Bora Bora getaway. Number 10. Authentic black pearls. As we near the end of our Bora Bora journey, don't miss the chance to explore the island's precious treasures, black pearls. Exclusive to the region, these naturally black pearls are a symbol of rarity and elegance. However, beware of imitations. Authentic black pearls can cost around $10,000 each. Join us as we discover the best places to buy these unique gems, appreciating the color, shape, and price that signify their authenticity. And there you have it, fellow travelers, your comprehensive guide to Bora Bora, the jewel of the Pacific. From overwater bungalows to thrilling underwater adventures, this paradise offers a perfect blend of luxury and natural beauty. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.